Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 INFINITI QX30. This one is gray. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch wheels, black leather interior, panorama sunroof, all-wheel drive QX30 badging. Opening up the tailgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, keyless entry, Bose sound system, memory seats, power windows, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, USB ports, turn wheel for our infotainment center, some more buttons for our infotainment center. This INFINITI has 22,751 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this INFINITI QX30, check out feldmannimports.com.